Where I hope you are fit and fine. So we're going to learn about combination sentence. So let's get started. First of all, I will say four sentence. After that, I will say those sentences together. So first sentence is Begum Rukia was pioneer in women's education. Second sentence, she was social reformer. Third sentence, she advocated for women's rights. The last sentence is women's rights were often neglected. So right now I will say those sentences together. Begum Rokeya, a pioneer in women's education and social reformer, advocated for women's rights, which were often neglected.